English scrambled eggs. We're going to go onto a medium heat. I am going to go 2 eggs per person. I'm going to do it for 2. So just whisk those eggs up. Let's do it. I'm going to go in with a nice knob of butter. Straight in, just with a little salt. In we go. And for me, the perfect thing to move the eggs around is a little spatula like this. So I'm just going to move it around, and very quickly you can see it setting around the base. You can see there's little cooked curds and the raw egg. So I'm just going to leave it every sort of 5 seconds. I'll give it a little move around. You don't want it to catch too much. Some people put milk in, some people put cream in. If you cook it right, you don't need any of that. This is cooked now, but you've got to remember that this pan is still warm and they're going to continue to cook. So all I do is when I get to this stage, I just put it to one corner of the pan, and that way it's not going to kind of overcook anymore. I get my toast. You can butter your toast, but remember we've got a nice knob of butter already on our scrambled eggs. So on we go with our lovely, beautiful English style scrambled eggs.